beautiful people, it's Curly Becca, and I'm back with another video about curls. So what I want to talk about today is how I went to Walmart and I picked up a whole bunch of hair masks, and this is basically the one I want to do for the video right here. It's from HyProPak. I don't know if you guys know about that. I've never heard of it. It must be a newer company, I don't know. This says extremely, I already opened it, so extremely damaged hair repair, and it has concentrated proteins that fortify the hair, and it helps prevent split ends and breakage, and it does exceptional conditioning. So let's see if it really does that. Okay, and also it says apply evenly on wet hair, so my hair is wet right now, and then it says massage through to the ends for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So I'm gonna do that.
What is that? Are you putting that on Facebook?
No.
What is it? What is it? That smells weird.
It does.
I'm saying that we don't use serum, like put it in your hand. That's funny. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so I'm back and I washed out my hair, and my hair's drip drip and drip 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 drip. Ah, it's cold, but I guess I could say that it made my hair feel softer, and it deep conditioned my hair, because my hair does look a little more shinier than usual. But thank you all for watching this video. I know it's probably really short, but I really wanted to try out that hair mask and show you guys. If you want to go out and buy the product, that's great, because you know it's really cheap, and you should try it and see how it works on your hair. And this video is not a sponsored video for HyProPak. It's just because I want to try it out. And I hope you guys like this video. I know it's really short again, but I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll try to